Elon Musk is not just a billionaire entrepreneur, he is a living example of what happens when vision, courage, and relentless work ethic collide. From sleeping on factory floors to risking everything on ideas others called impossible, his life proves that ordinary people can choose to live extraordinary lives. The following 50 principles are not just quotes, they are blueprints for building courage, discipline, innovation, and unstoppable belief in your future. Do you know the Elon Musk 50 life principles for extraordinary success? Number 1. When something is important enough, you do it even if the odds are not in your favor. Greatness begins when you stop negotiating with fear. When the mission matters, you move, no excuses, no retreat. Number 2. Some people don't like change, but you need to embrace change if the alternative is disaster. Growth demands courage. If you don't choose change, life will choose it for you. Number 3. Failure is an option here. If things are not failing, you are not innovating enough. Failure isn't the enemy, stagnation is. Every failure proves you're pushing boundaries. Number 4. The path to the CEO's office should be through engineering and design. True leaders build. They understand the work before they command the world. Number 5. Persistence is very important. You should not give up unless you are forced to give up. Quitting is not an option. You only stop when the world physically stops you. Number 6. Have a feedback loop, constantly thinking how you could be doing it better. Self-review is self-mastery. Improve daily, even by 1%. Number 7. There's a tremendous bias against taking risks. Comfort zones are prisons. The brave build the future. Number 8. It's okay to have your eggs in one basket as long as you control the basket. Focus creates fortune. Scattered energy creates nothing. Number 9. Brand is just a perception. Your actions reveal your truth. Reality always wins. Number 10. I don't think it's a good idea to plan to sell a company. Build for impact, not for exit. Number 11. Numbers will never compensate for talent. Excellence beats crowd every time. Number 12. A company is only as good as its people. Build people first, everything else follows. Number 13. People work better when they know the goal and why. Purpose fuels performance. Number 14. No task is too menial. True leaders serve before they rule. Number 15. I say something and then it usually happens. Speak your future into existence. Number 16. Compelling products earn a premium. Quality creates loyalty. Number 17. I spend my time solving problems. Champions execute, talkers fade. Number 18. I always invest my own money. Believe enough to risk yourself. Number 19. Talent without heart is nothing. Character multiplies success. Number 20. I don't create companies just to create companies. Purpose before prestige. Number 21. Process becomes a substitute for thinking. Never outsource your mind. Number 22. Starting a business is about innovation and determination. Grit beats genius when genius quits. Number 23. First establish that something is possible. Belief is the ignition switch. Number 24. Scale and iterate. Greatness is built in versions. Number 25. Talent matters. Teamwork multiplies it. Together, ordinary becomes unstoppable. Number 26. Work like hell. Dreams don't work unless you do. Number 27. I've not read books on time management. Results manage time, not schedules. Number 28. I'm interested in things that change the world. Aim for legacy, not likes. Number 29. Pay attention to negative feedback. Criticism is growth in disguise. Number 30. If you believe tomorrow is better, today is bright. Hope fuels endurance. Number 31. Innovation is a mindset. Decide to be different, then act on it. Number 32. Follow your passion. Purpose creates happiness. Number 33. Entrepreneurship is like eating glass. The path is brutal, the reward is priceless. Number 34. Fear is distracting. Master fear, master life. Number 35. Building a company is like baking a cake. Balance creates breakthroughs. Number 36. Big internet problems are solved. New problems create new opportunities. Number 37. Maintain the light of consciousness. protect human progress. Number 38, Ford ignored the horse. Vision beats tradition. Number 39, big innovations are many things combined. Greatness is accumulation. Number 40, different must be better. Improve, don't imitate. Number 41, ask why it succeeded. Study victory. Number 42, question everything. Curiosity creates wisdom. Number 43, like the people you work with. Success is a team sport. Number 44, no assholes policy. Culture builds empires. Number 45, build first, fund later. Momentum attracts money. Number 46, disruptive technology comes from new companies. Small beginnings change the world. Number 47, avoid MBAs for creation. Builders learn by doing. Number 48, don't lie to yourself. Truth is the foundation of success. Number 49, ensure value exceeds cost. Create more than you consume. Number 50, I started Tesla and SpaceX because they mattered. Do what matters even if success is uncertain. These 50 principles are not meant to inspire you for one afternoon. They are meant to reprogram your thinking, sharpen your discipline, and push you toward the version of yourself that refuses to quit. The future is not built by comfort, by luck, or by approval. It is built by those who choose courage, consistency, and purpose every single day. If Elon Musk's life teaches us anything, it is this: extraordinary lives are not reserved for the chosen few, they are built by those who choose to act.